Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back, checking out the videos, seeing what I'm putting out. You will see this hairdo in my FabFitFun unboxing. That was earlier today. I still have one more box to go through, wanted to get it put up. So, as you can see, I got my felt board all decked out for exactly what we're doing today, which is the Target Beauty Box for June 2019. Also, on my eyes, I am wearing the Ish eyeshadow palette that we got in our FabFitFun box. Sorry, the dog is underneath my desk, so either way, that is what I'm wearing on my eyes, and I do like the colors in it. Chloe, stop. Okay, so Target Beauty Box. Every month, Target comes out with a beauty box. Sometimes there's multiple boxes, sometimes there's only one. This month there is a woman's box and a men's box. These boxes are $7 a piece. You have to go online to Target under Target Beauty Box and order these. They are not like a reoccurring monthly subscription order. So, let's go ahead and get into these. I am going to do the men's box first, simply because we don't do many men's boxes on this channel. So, it will be a nice change to see what the opposite sex gets. I do like the pretty coloring of greens that they did on there this month. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's got the tissue paper, our little pamphlet, and then all of our products that are inside. On the back of this, it does give you a rundown of what is in there. And it does not give prices, but that's okay because you can find everything at Target. You do get $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more, which if you order 2 boxes, you're paying over $15, so you can always get your $3 off. Just to keep in mind. Dope Kit Essentials. Your fly, the products in your Dope Kit should be too. Stock it up with these essentials that'll keep you looking groomed and feeling great whenever, wherever. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried. We want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag Target Beauty or hashtag Target Beauty Box. So, I'm just going to start pulling out. The first thing that I'm dropping, and again, is from Crest toothpaste. This is Crest Gum Detoxifying Deep Clean Toothpaste. I'm going to have to put on some eyeballs because Target kicks my behind every month with being able to see or lack thereof. So, sorry if my glasses glare off the light. Y'all know I'm blind. I can't see anything. Okay. So, let's do this again. Crest. Cooling activated foam penetrates hard to reach areas, removing plaque bacteria for clinically proven healthier gums. Hint. Brush teeth for at least 2 minutes to give the fluoride in toothpaste enough time to attach to the tooth enamel and remove bacteria. I'm sure everybody knows how to brush their teeth, but we do get quite a bit of toothpaste from Target, and it's different brands of toothpaste, so that's nice. The next thing we have is from Bulldog. Okay. Bulldog men's skincare moisturizer, face wash, and shave gel. Moisturizer, face wash, and shave gel are specially formulated with natural ingredients that keep skin healthy and hydrated. So you have the shave gel, the foam wash, and the moisturizer. So it's a 3-in-1. They are little foil packets samples. So that'll be neat. I got this box for my husband. Since he never gets boxes, thought we would go out and try one for him. The next thing I have is from Dove. This is Men Plus Care Clean Comfort Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Antiperspirant spray goes on instantly dry and helps fight sweat and odor for up to 48 hours. Shake the can to activate the ingredients, then apply 2 to 3 short bursts of spray. And it is in the scent Clean Comfort. And I already broke it. And it smells clean. So, we'll see. The next thing I have is from Gillette. This is a full-size item, so that's pretty cool. Gillette Skin Guard Men's Razor. Unique Skin Guard Razor. Minimizes tug and cuts hair at skin level, preventing irritation and ingrown hairs. Tip: to minimize nicks and irritation, shave immediately after showering when hair is soft, allowing the razor to glide more easily. So you get one razor and one razor blade. That is what that razor looks like. And he already uses the Gillette 3, the Gillette Mach 3. So, same company, different type of razor. So, I'm sure he'll like that. If not, he can go back to his Mach 3. The next thing we have is from Head & Shoulders. Head & Shoulders Old Spice Pure Sport Men's Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Gentle yet powerful formula fights dandruff while protecting your scalp against dryness, flakes, and itchiness. So, Old Spice Pure Sport Head & Shoulders. Oh, that smells yum. Definitely like the smell of that. He can keep that. And then the last thing we have in here is also from Old Spice. This is also a full-size item. Old Spice Fresher Collection Deep Sea Invisible Solid Deodorant. Reduces sweat, goes on invisible, and stays dry so you smell fresh and clean. Oh, so you smell fresh and feel clean. Oh, I can't smell it through there. And I'm not going to take his little thing off, so I guess I'll just wait for him to actually open it. So we got 2 full-size items in here. 3 samples, and then a trio foil pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $7. So the men's box was pretty neat. Like I said, I've never done a men's box. So for $7, you can't beat that. Now let's get into the women's box. Again, this box is also $7. And they usually give me some pretty good items. I don't have a Target around me, so it's nice to actually get items from another store besides Walmart. I really enjoy it. Okay, and you open it. You get the little card as always. Tissue paper is a baby pink. I hear lots of cans. And inside, that is what our products look like. You can also hear the puppies. I did show a picture of that in my FabFitFun unboxing video, just because they are next door and y'all can hear them. This month is Jet Set Go. Summer is so close we can taste it, whether you're headed down the shore for the weekend or catching a flight to an exotic European island. Finding trustworthy products that make your jet set beauty routine a breeze is key. Here are the go-tos we keep in our travel bag at all times, and so should you. And you should too, my bad. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried, we want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag #TargetBeauty or hashtag #TargetBeautyBox. On the back, as the same as the men's box, gives us a rundown of what's in there. And then, of course, you get the $3 off coupon. Like I said, if you order 2 boxes at once, Chloe's crying. After taxes, it is over $15. Okay, let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Tresemme. My dog's crying, I'm sorry. Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo, infused with mineral clay and citrus. A quick spritz at the roots will revitalize day-old hair so locks look fresh and full of life. Trick is spray onto hair, massage through roots to absorb oil evenly, then brush strands for a refreshed and revived dew. Everybody knows I do not like dry shampoo, so I'm sure that my daughter will be trying that. If she does not want it, it will, of course, go into the giveaway. The next thing we have is from Pixie by Petra, one of my brands that I like. I use this daily. Not this particular item, but I use Pixie products on a daily. This is Pixie T-Zone Peel Off Mask. Unique green superfood blend instantly draws out impurities and lifts away oil to reveal nourished, glowing skin. The how-to is apply a thick, even layer to your T-zone only. Let sit until completely dry, then gently peel off. So I will be totally trying this out. And it is safety sealed, as you can see, which is a major plus for me. So there's that. The next thing we have is from C&D. Vinylux Mini Duo Pack. Innovative 2-step system coupled with Pro Light technology builds resistance to chips and enhances durability so nails stay perfectly polished all week long. I will definitely put this to the test. I do my nails myself, so that they are claiming that this is a weekly polish for 7-day wear. I wonder what the shade is. Let's open it and see what color we got. Oh. So it's not one of my favorite colors. I would not have picked this. Romantic. It's just a cream color. It is number 142. If anybody uses this, that is what color we got sent. And then, of course, it comes with the weekly top coat. So I'll definitely give that a try and see what I think. The bottles are super tiny, so you only have a few chances to wear that before you run out. But like I said, that's the good thing with these boxes. You can find everything that you received at Target. Alright, next we have the Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots Ampoules Hair Treatment. This is a blend of provitamin B5, strengthening lipids, and natural glycerin. Helps repair damaged hair, so locks are soft, shiny, and more resilient after just one use. The tip is apply generously from root to tip to fully saturate strands and use weekly for best results. Now this is exactly how this comes. As y'all know, if you watch my channel, I got one of these in my first Walmart beauty box. I tried it. It was not my favorite. So this is going to go right into the giveaway box so that one of y'all can try that. Then the next and last thing we have is herbal essence. This is the Pro Renew Revitalized Cucumber and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. Bio Renew formula made with cucumber and green tea instantly absorbs oils and adds texture, leaving hair healthy, shiny, and smelling yummy. Like I said, I'm not really into dry shampoos, but my daughter is, and she will probably enjoy that. So the women kind of got gypped this month. We got the Pantene product. We only got 5 items in our box this month. But for $7, I mean, they are pretty good sample sizes to actually try out and see if you would like to purchase them. This I've never seen before, so excited to try this. And this I've never tried before, so I'm excited to actually try this too. So comment down below, do you get this box? Do you enjoy this box? If you haven't got this box, would you try this box for $7? Like I said, they are samples, but these are pretty decent sized samples. And the men got 2 full-size items. So if you haven't checked them out, go to Target. Last time I was online, they are still available. They are $7 a piece, and they don't take very long to get to you. 2 to 3 days. So let me know down below if you get it, what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Have you gotten other people to try it? Either way, I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come subscribe, join the family, ring that bell, see all the content that I'm putting out. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Have a great day. Bye.